All right, guys. Quick update on Ethereum. If we look at the daily chart, it's pretty clear. It was in this stage for basing pattern. It was all over the place. Started rejection from here. It tried to get through. It had a contraction pattern. To try to get through. Clear rejection. This is where I think it was basing its. It was a clear basing pattern. It broke through here. It was right here in 8th May, around 8th May of this year. So that's on the daily. How does it look on the MACD? MACD is curling over, so that's not a good sign. In terms of how does it look going forward? I think we would see if there is a close below 2500, currently it's 2476. I think we will go to 2250 to 2350. So let's look at the SMA and the EMS. It was a clear rejection, or it was supposed to reach. It was just short on 200-day SMA on the daily. 200-day, 50-day. 20-day, 100 and 200 EMA. Let's look at this one. So I'm thinking we'll have probably a bounce at 200-day. If that doesn't hold, which is 2431, we should probably come back to 20-day EMA, and there's a possibility the track line starts to curl over. So that should probably match the 20-day EMA. Right, so that's on the daily. I don't think it's time to. It's not time to long. If you see how Ethereum reacts based on the history, let's take a look. So stage 2 broke out, went all the way to 3400, retested the track line, and then moved out. So I think we are in this zone. Which is this zone. I'm guessing this is the zone we are currently in. So how does that look for if we want to match? Is so we took off. Let's see. We took off. We back tested the track line and then took off. Right. So I'm thinking we have taken off. Need to cool down on the MACD and RSI, retest the track line around 2300, and then we take off again. So that's probably going to be sometime in end of May or first week of June. So that is where I think we'll have a reversal pattern on Ethereum, right? How does it look on the weekly? Weekly looks pretty decent. I won't say it looks bad, but clear. It broke out of the trend line. We have a green dot, so that's a macro strength on the trend line. So it could retest. That's around 2350. So I think that's also a good spot on the weekly, right? So I would look at pricing of, let's say, around 2250 to 2350. That's a place to probably Ethereum does a retest before it decides where to go. But I'm pretty confident in losing 2500, 2400, 2500, 2450. I think we go down to 23. And that's where I would look for now. Monthly looks pretty good. Monthly says it's a reversal pattern. So we have another 14 days, 1 hour to go, 11 hours to go. So let's see how does that work. I think we are in this zone. So let's see. On the 4 hours, it looks. Let's take a look on the 4 hours. So 4 hour has a contraction pattern. So there's the shaded area which you see right here. This means the price has been contracted, the volatility has been contracted, and it will break in either direction violently. So it's either going to be up or it's going to be down. And the track line for 4 hours is going to be 24.28. So this is also area to look at. So I would say an area to look at would probably be, I think to take a look is going to be 23.50. to 2450 is probably the area I would look at to either take a spot or take a leverage long, right? Uh, if we look at the MACD, I think we just saw MACD, so it's curling over on 4 hour as well as the daily. Let's see how does it look on the weekly. Yeah, so the MACD line has crossed the signal line, so that is pretty good on the weekly. And on the monthly, let's see the monthly. Okay, the monthly, I think it's the perpetual one bluefin. That's why it's not showing up. But anyways, weekly looks pretty good. The MACD on weekly looks pretty good. So, and it has printed the first green dot. So probably we are somewhere here, and we have a long way to go. Hopefully. All right, that's a quick update on Ethereum. Take a look at the price action around 2350 to 2450. Losing 24 is not going to be looking good, and I think we backtest our support zone. All right, cheers guys, all the best, bye.